Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram activity private or just want a fresh start, clearing your recent searches is quick and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to clear your recent searches on Instagram, so you can browse with peace of mind. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device, and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options for managing your account. From here, tap on the option labeled Your Activity. This section is where you can keep track of everything you do on Instagram, from your time spent on the app to your recent interactions. Next, scroll down and find Recent Searches. Tap on it to view a list of all the accounts, hashtags, and topics you've searched for recently. If you want to clear individual searches, you can tap the X next to each one. But if you want to wipe everything at once, look for the Clear All option at the top right of the screen and tap it. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to clear your entire search history. To finish, simply tap Clear All again, and that's it. Your recent searches are now gone, giving you a clean slate. Whether you're tidying up for privacy reasons or just want to keep things organized, these steps will help you manage your Instagram search history with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.